The cutest teddy bear is coming your way. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where you can join us in creating a furry buttercream teddy bear cake. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips and make your caking journey that little bit easier. We work with buttercream, ganache and fondant, so we've got you covered. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. For this particular cake, we have an 8-inch round cake that is 5 inches high, and we have crumb coated it in brown buttercream. You may notice we have straight sides, however the top edge is slightly rounded as compared to our straight edges like we normally would have. For the colour, we've used a variety of browns. We've got Colour Mill Caramel, Chocolate and Clay, and Pro Gel Brown. You can go ahead and choose your own colour, or you can make actual chocolate buttercream instead. To fill your piping bag, spread some buttercream onto your cling wrap so that you have a cone shape with one narrow end and one wider end. Then roll up the cling wrap, twist the ends together and cut open the narrow end. Place it into your piping bag that has been fitted with a grass tip. We've used Loyal Tip 233. If you're in need of cake supplies, check out Caker's Warehouse and use our code Enchanted10 for a 10% discount off your order. Now for the piping. Start at the base of the cake. Pipe around the edge to cover the join where your cake touches the board. Make sure you press your nozzle slightly in towards the cake, then release as you squeeze out your buttercream. This will make sure that your buttercream sticks to the cake and doesn't fall off. Then work your way around and up the cake, making sure you don't go row by row. You want to be more varied in your position so that the fur looks more natural and not so perfect. Once you've finished the entire cake, press the fondant ears into the top of the cake. We've made these the day before out of fondant, and they have a cocktail stick inside them to support them. And then go ahead and pipe buttercream onto the fondant parts, again covering the joins between the ear and the head. Next, we place our fondant nose and eyes onto the cake. And lastly, we finish this cake design with Harrison's name that we've cut out of fondant lettering and position them with edible glue onto the board. Add a birthday candle and you're done. We've used our signature buttercream for this cake, and it's perfect for both covering the cake and all the piping detail. You can find our tutorial for purchase either over on Instagram just by commenting the word buttercream on any of our posts, and we'll send you the direct link, or you can click on the link below in the notes. If there are any topics you'd like us to cover, whether it's related to cake decorating or running a successful cake business, just comment below or send us a DM on Instagram and get in touch. Until next time, happy caking!